Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add superscript in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I already add here the superscript. The letters slightly add above this number. So first st is a superscript added above this number. So same as here I show you how it added. Okay, so first enter the 1, then you just add the st. And see here, it's not above this number. Suppose I drag this corner point. See all these numbers, seconds, and it's not the superscript. Okay. Third, here you can see the difference between the superscript and the normal fourth, fifth. Okay. To add this way as a superscript, so I just remove this. Okay. Then in the first, I select the ST. Okay, ST letter. I double click on this mouse and select the both letters as T, then press the Control 1, and here you can see the format cell dialog box is open. Okay, and in effects you can see here the second option, the superscript. Simply click on this box and that's it. Click on OK, and here you can see the first is superscript added. Okay, so just drag below, and here you can see in numbers added here the superscript. The letter is written slightly above of this number. So that is a superscript. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.